The next level right here in the studio. Happy Thanksgiving first and foremost. We in the studio right now as we can bring the camera along, check out the screen that we got going on. We're working on the crowd 4.5 and 5. As you can see, we got some heavy hitters here, like we got Drew down right there. We got, you know, a few other the people that you'll be seeing coming up as well. And we're finishing it right now. I'm writing down the track listing. I had to do it in alphabetical order because I had to get it done, and that was the fastest way to do it. And as you can see, like all right here, and the blue is all in different artists, which is I think is almost like 40 plus. And that's 4.5, and then we got 5 right here. So checking in. I'm about to do the music video. As you can see, my beard is banging right now. We're gonna bang this beard in the video, and that's what it is, man. Happy Thanksgiving 2014. We get our breakfast on 11 o'clock, and we about to go shoot this music video, finish up my part, and that's what you're gonna be seeing pretty soon. The Crowd 5 finale reality show, The Next Level TV out.